If you ask me how to get free samples, open our website. Search it. Search sample here. This one. Choose the supplies you want. Add to cart. It's free. Get yours now